bado hiyo operation inaendelea, haitasimama, na maafisa wote ambao wamehudumu kwa zaidi ya miaka 3 katika station moja lazima watoke, na hiyo program inaendelea. We have a total of 42,500 and a good number have already been transferred, over 10,000, and we are in consultations with the Inspector General of Police to make sure that even the rest move in the shortest time possible as directed by the National Security Council. And we have also asked all officers, all public officers who are involved in any business connected with alcohol, they must stop and close that business, or alternatively they leave service. Even if the premises is licensed, even if the premises sells legitimate products, an officer who is a law enforcement officer getting involved in law enforcement in an industry where they have business interest creates a conflict of interest, and therefore the one must give way, and it's upon the officers to choose